bathroom. We have family coming in town this weekend because I'm hosting my daughter's 8th birthday party, so if you'd like to see it, just stay tuned. Here are all the products I'm going to be using to clean the bathroom, and they're all from the Dollar Tree except the Mrs. Meyer's all-purpose cleaner. I'm going to pull my hair up and get to cleaning. The first thing I always clean is the bathtub. It's one of my least favorite things to clean, so I like to just get it out of the way. To clean the bathtub, I use the Comet from Dollar Tree and then a sponge I got from the Dollar Tree, and like I said before in a previous video, I cut those in half so I can throw them away more often. And here I'm just using an old Tinkerbell cup from when my daughter was little to rinse out the bathtub. For the toilet, I use the Dollar Tree toilet bowl cleaner, and it works great. I haven't had a problem with it. And then I'm using the Dollar Tree disinfectant wipes to wipe the whole thing down. My toilet brush is from IKEA. Every time I go there, I don't have one in my state, but when I go, I like to pick up a lot because they're cheap and I can throw those away as well. I'm going to use the Mrs. Meyer's all-purpose cleaner to wipe down my sink and countertop, and I also use e-cloths. And sometimes I use them with a cleaner, but they're made just to use with water. I'll link them below. I've had them for a while and I love them. So last time I was in Dollar Tree, I found this clear Windex type of cleaner, but it's made with vinegar, and I'm loving it. It's doing great, no streaks at all. Now I'm gonna finish up by vacuuming and then mopping the floors. This mop is just like my cloths. It's called the e-cloth mop, and I'm just spraying water. That's all you use to clean, and I love it. And here's a final look on how it turned out. If you enjoyed this video, just hit the subscribe button down below, and I'll see you again soon. Bye.